Good morning. So we're gonna put this VANTRUE.com. I'm using the VANTRUE.com microphone. So I hope you guys can hear me clearly. So we're gonna put this to test. So we're gonna see how clear the video is. Today we're gonna install a dashcam in my car. This is new dashcam from VANTRUE N4 3-channel dashcam. Where's this made? This made in China. First of all, guys, I want to say shout out to the sponsor for this dashcam. This is from my subscriber Ralph and Nor. Thank you. Alright, so it's a nice box, very nice box. Let's see what's inside. Connection goes like this. So this is where we're gonna put it. I think this is straight already. Okay, you can move it up and down, to the get the straight view. Okay guys, I put the wiring already, and through here, down here, going that way, and charger here. Okay guys, I'm done installing. Wire goes this way, going down, and then the other one on the side goes to the other side, the wire. So we're gonna put this to test. So we're gonna see how clear the video is. So anyway, I changed the setting to 1080p frame per minute for all the 3 cameras, from the front, cabin, and the back. So alright, let's go. So this is daytime. So daytime, 1080p both on all camera, but at night there's an infrared for the inside cabin. So it's an auto. So right now it's daytime, so I hope it's clear. I think I have this already for like 2 days, but I think I made a mistake on the setting. So I was trying to see the video from the previous day. The inside cabin is black and white. So I look at the setting, it needs to change to auto instead of on. This is the front camera, and that's the back, and that's the back. There's no car behind me. Here inside. Hello. Okay, so if you guys thinking of having one, this is not bad. You can get it from Amazon. I think it was on sale, but I didn't bought this myself. This is not a sponsor from VANTRUE. This one's given to me as a gift from my 2 subscribers, Ralph and Nor. Shout out to both of you. Thank you so much. Guys, hope you like the video. So that's my VANTRUE N4 dash cam. There's 3 channels, one for the front cabin, inside the car, and the rear camera, and I love it. So if you guys are thinking of, you know, having a dash cam, I really do recommend VANTRUE. So this good camera and easy to install, and you know, there's a lot of kind of VANTRUE camera. For me, this is enough. This is what I need. So hope you like it, guys. So thank you for watching, and please continue to likes or comments, and if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do. I really appreciate it. So thank you guys for watching. See you again.